This video is sponsored by Pic Time. So we have some exciting news. Pic Time just released their brand new mobile app. And this is super excited for anyone who's on the go all the time and needs access to their galleries. And if you haven't used Pic Time yourself, definitely check out the link in the description below to sign up and check it out today. Let's take a quick look at this mobile app. You can find the mobile app in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have the app, you'll log in with your normal Pic Time login credentials. One thing I absolutely love as well is that there's not only an iPhone version, but an iPad version also. You'll see in the app, you're able to see all your galleries and they look absolutely beautiful. Quickly being able to thumb through them, click on them, and see all the photos uploaded into them. Let's go ahead and look at one of my old galleries. I can see all the photos in the gallery and also click on any of the photos to get a closer view. This is a great way for showing off photos to potential clients or just other photographers. You can also favorite, share, and download single photos. Another great option in the galleries view as well is I can search for my galleries or filter my galleries by date or occasion. So this will let you quickly get to specific galleries that you need to see or share with your couples. Once you enter a specific gallery, you also can share your photos, search through the photos, filter them, and also change the settings to your gallery. This gives me options to set it to private, online or offline, or even add an expiration date. And you can preview your gallery all from the app. You'll see I get the same beautiful gallery view that I would be if I was looking on the website on a browser on my mobile device. One thing I love as well is not only can you get to your galleries, but galleries you've been invited to as well. So it's easy to see anything you've ever visited before on Pic Time or are currently invited to. And if you need to get to the full web version, you can do that as well. However, keep in mind on your mobile device, you will have to swap from horizontal to vertical to actually see the full website. This is a huge change for Pic Time and it's going to be awesome for, again, anyone on the go. You can quickly share your galleries from anywhere and not have to worry about having to run to your laptop to get to all this stuff. It's a great addition to Pic Time. And again, if you're not using Pic Time to deliver your client galleries, you really should start doing it. Here's a video up above to tell you more about Pic Time, and I hope you enjoy the mobile app.